Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drape this sari two ways. So one is going to be inspired by the Gujarati drape and the other is going to be inspired by the regular Nivi drape, but both drapes are going to be done over the Cancan skirt. So you're going to see how I'm going to achieve both looks, but over the Cancan. This is perfect if you're the bride or you're getting dressed up in a nice, beautiful silk sari for one of your photo shoots. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to show you the Gujarati inspired drape. So I pleated the pallu, and you guys can check out one of my other videos on how I pleat the pallu, and I've just draped it over my right shoulder. I'm going to take the rest of the sari and bring it to my left side. And then I'm going to leave about 1.5 feet of the sari and start pleating. You guys can check out my pleating video to see how I pleat. And you want a little bit of fabric left over, so I feel like that's good. And then you want to just make sure these are all level. And I'm gonna start hooking them in, but before I do, I want to make sure that they're all the same distance. And this is where maybe another hand would help. And you want to make sure that the pleats are reaching the end of the cancan skirt, but not like too short. Okay, and then what you want to do is take the end and pleat down. Like, you don't want to see any of these tassels or the end if it's not finished. So you just want to pleat down the side. Okay, and then you just want to shake those pleats out and bring them to the back and tuck them in. And you can just make the sides look a bit neater by just tucking them in. And there you go. The second drape is inspired by the Nivi drape, and so I've taken the pallu and put it over my left shoulder. I've made sure that the pallu is not as long as I normally like it, just because I need more fabric. This is just a 6-yard sari, and I need more fabric for the pleats up front, and you're gonna see in a moment. So you wanna put the pallu over your left shoulder and then wrap it around your body and bring it to your left side, and then start pleating. And again, you want to leave about 1.5 feet of material and start pleating. And this drape I found works best with Kanchipuram sarees because it really gives you that extra length that you need to cover the cancan. So I would definitely recommend this with a Kanchipuram over other saree types. And so once you have your pleats, and you can see, even though my pallu is pretty short, I don't have many pleats here just because the cancan is so much volume. You want to make sure you have as many pleats as possible here so it looks full. As you do for a regular drape, you want to just bring this like that so it gives you that nice shape here. And then if you have any rogue pleats like this, I would just press it down to the bottom. And just shake it out. And then you just want to work with it until you're happy and pin it into place. So I'm just going to pin the pleats first. And I'm just kicking to see the length that I need to tuck it in so that it's not too short. You want to take the end of the rest of the fabric and just pleat it down the side. And like you did for the previous drape, you just want to take it and tuck it into the back. And then you just want to fix the pallu and the pleats so that you like them. And for this one, I would definitely recommend a waist chain kind of to hold everything in place so it looks nice and neat. And this is the cancan version of the Nivi drape. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found that useful. If there are any drapes you want to see me take you through step by step, leave them in the comments below and I will do as many as I can. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in a future video.